Hey, what's up guys? So today I'm going to be showing you how to switch out your automatic shift knob to a manual shift knob. Now, for most cars, you can't just switch out the knob directly because these have the button on them. Now, I'm going to be showing you how you can avoid that. And the way that it goes is now you push down to shift. So it's pretty straightforward, and I'm just going to go ahead and show you how I made it right now. So everything you need for this project you can get readily available from your local Ace Hardware or Home Depot. And basically what I did was I have here a piece of, this is 1/2-inch pipe, and this is, the sizes here would work on a Infiniti G37, and I'm probably on a Nissan 370Z, as well as probably most cars, but again, I don't know the sizes of other cars. And the 1/2-inch pipe that you're going to need goes right here on the main piece. And you're going to also need a piece of 3/8-inch pipe, which will cover this top piece here. And as you can see here, I also have a reducer that goes from 1/2-inch to the 3/8. Also, you're going to need to get a spring as well. So basically what I did was I took the 1/2-inch pipe, and I figured out about how far I wanted it to go. And the main point of the 1/2-inch pipe here is really just to kind of give this a little bit more stability, so you're not just pulling on the lever here, where the button would normally push down. So once you have that, then you're going to take your spring and you're going to figure out exactly how far you need to cut it, so that when it springs back up, it doesn't go past it. So for me, I figured out that it only needed to go up to maybe about a little bit past 3/4, almost the whole way, but not entirely. So then once I had that, basically it's pretty straightforward. You just figure out what size pipe you need for the top piece, and it doesn't necessarily have to go over the top piece, but typically it'd probably be about the same size, and it just needs to also fit into your shift knob. So once you have those things in place, you just kind of put everything back together just like this, and it slips on really easily, and it goes on just like that. And to shift, all you got to do now is just push down, and it switches between gears. Now you'll notice right here I have a piece of tape on the bottom, and the reason for that is that this shift column, as you can see here, is not perfectly circular. So when I put the 3/8-inch pipe over it, it has a little bit of play. And to fix that, I just took a piece of Gorilla Tape, which is actually, I prefer using Gorilla Tape over duct tape, and I think it's a little bit stronger. And you use that Gorilla Tape just to kind of prevent it from wiggling. Now, if yours is perfectly circular and the pipe just happens to fit over it perfectly, great. I don't think most of them are like that, and that just kind of prevents it from wobbling. And this is pretty solid right now as it sits. And the point of putting another spring on the inside, because while this is springy on its own, I put another spring in there just so that when you rest your arm on it when you're driving, it doesn't just want to go down on its own. This is a pretty good strength spring. I'm not sure the exact one that I got, but you can just look around. I know that they had a big section of them at the Ace Hardware near me. And that's basically it. So if you guys enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment if you guys have any questions, and that's all. Thank you.